Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a HVAC system on a 2002 Montana camper. Although I haven't installed an HVAC system on a camper before, I've been doing commercial HVAC for about 5 years. This was a very simple installation. You just have to set it on the hole, screw the bolts tight from the plate inside. You have 2 hook connections you just plug in. You don't have to do a physical wire connection. You just plug these 2 wires in. It's just as simple as that. It's just really a plug and play. This is our new AC unit for our 2002 Montana camper. Let's unpackage it and see what we got here. So we finally got our AC unit in. What I had to explain in the last video, I had to use a piece of roofing material and just, when we're redoing the roof, coated it right into it so we didn't have any water issues while we were getting our new AC unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a hole in it because I'm not going to be able to pill it up. Up on top, you have to set your AC unit so these 4 corner holes will line up so you can put your holding plate on to hold the AC unit down. So that's lined up there where it's supposed to be. I was able to get this plate. We got the new AC unit set. Here's the pigtail for it. It just plugs right into right here on the edge of this board, control board. Here, this wire, if you have one of these, it's a freeze protection stat. You'll have to put it back up on the copper line on the coil. Just plug this in here. It's simple, very simple installation for AC. Just plug and play on this one. Alright, this will go up here. This is the free stat protection. I'm just going to run it up through here and clip it on. This here little piece is your freeze protection stat. It's so if your AC starts freezing up, it'll shut it down so it can thaw. So you don't turn into ice and then end up getting water in your camper if it starts melting too fast. So now we'll put this on. This just pops off. Just be careful you don't break something. Put a foam. Make sure it's good and sealed. Putting on the final touches. Let's try this thing out. There we go. Woo! Look at there, 43 degrees, cool air. Still dropping. I'm just checking the temperature drop just to make sure the AC unit came with the charge correct. It looks good. It's blowing out 42 degree air, so I'm pretty impressed. There we go.